Umushinda jenga kugira election. Let me go to English.
Okay.
Let me go to
Yeah,
English.
go ahead.
It's just not just the Burundi community. I feel like it's all the teens.
Imiryango myinshi muri bino bihugu tubayemwo akenshi usanga mu rugo hakora indimi zibiri bivana n'igihugu uburimwo. Reka uno munsi tuvuge muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika mu gisagara cya Houston, Texas. Nkuko mu bindi bisagara bitandukanye vyo mu bihugu bitandukanye usanga hari imiryango imwe y'Abarundi iba muri vyo bisagara. Muri Houston, Texas ni nkuko hari community ihurikiyemwo abatamakazi, abagabo n'abagore eka ugwaruka rw'imisore n'inkumi n'abana bato. Ugiye mu ngo buri gihe aho muri iyo miryango kenshi hakora indimi zibiri ugasanga rumwe gwinjiye mu rundi. Icyongereza kikinjira mu Kirundi, Ikirundi kikagerageza kurondera Icyongereza iyo kiri ariko ubuzima bukabandanya.
Umwe mu bantu bahejeje gutoka mu gwaruka bahejeje kwitoza kugira ngo ruwe mu barongozi kubera iki witwa nde hamuco tubwira kubera iki wimviye ko wobo murongozi
Je ditwa Elvis Barakamfitiye bamwe banzi yadema. Umushinda jenga kugira election. Let me go to English.
Okay.
Let me go to
Yeah,
English.
go ahead.
I came here today to run as a counselor. I see myself as a person that could give my thought and process into what we're gonna do and take it far. So I just came and put myself out there, let everybody know what I'm ready to do, and everybody saw I was perfect fit, and it went through.
watangiye kwimvira ryari ko wumva ko ushobora kuba umwe mu barongo y'ugwaruka niki cyabiguteye niki cyabigutumye habaye iki
You know, I'm part of the Burundi community. I love the Burundi community. I've always been part of it. You know, I was born into it. I've always seen the Burundi community that we can go far, but I wasn't able to do it myself. You know, I was still young, but now I see myself as a man that could do something and help something. So I've always been there, and now I could put myself into the shoes and help the people and put this in the long run and see how it goes.
mu majambo kare wavuze ati hari ibintu bimwe abavyeyi bibonekana ko menga tuba dutandukaniye ko byotuma rimwe na rimwe n'ugwaruka rudakunda kuba hari abavyeyi ndazi abantu bari kwararorera ni benshi ugwaruka baba bazi ibyo bintu cyangwa baba bavuga ibyo bintu niki wo bivuga ko cyangwa wo kibwira ko urashobora kukivuga ngaho ugasanga aburundi gwaruka go muri Minnesota go muri New York bavuga they think the same thing, like, you know, they feel like how you feel, so wo bivuga kwiki
that situation it's just not just the Burundi community. I feel like it's all the teens.
Okay.
Sometimes we get forced into like some like community, like always coming together. Like we also want to feel free and be able to do something with our friends. You know, feel like be able to do something, and then we come back home and then we're with our family, and then we do something with them, and then. You know, if we have like a gathering, a little something with the community, we come together. But feeling pressure to always like do this and that, like pressure is not always something to put upon someone. If it's good pressure, then it's good pressure. But if it's bad pressure, then it's always something bad is bad. You could say that parents force things upon kids, but it's not really. They're not forcing it on you. They're just trying to make you better. We see that, but. We still wish like we can get some air too, you know, some breathing space. We all need to breathe, you feel me?
Yes, kuri position yawe bagutoreye niko ugiye kuzokora igihe muzo muri kumarakora na Jeff kugira ngo abandi bantu bazoba baje inyuma bazobona niki kintu wimvira kugiye kuzokora gafasha Jeff nabo mugiye kuzokora.
My position with right next to Jeff. Jeff is already a smart man in his position himself. He's already a great man himself. I see him as a great president, you know. But my position, I'm just bringing great ideas to the table, you know. If he couldn't think of it, let me think of it. If he couldn't do it, let me do it, you know. I'm always here to take the next step, you know.
Okay, bibazo bibiri.
Yes.
Niki ushobora kubwira Burundian youth and all over United States woshobora kubabwira. And second one, niki wabwira abavyeyi.
To the youths out there, you know, we might laugh at those war stories, you know, that they used to go through the wars, but you know, sometimes it might be true, you know. We gotta sympathize with the parents, you know. Sometimes you don't know what they're going through, you know, but you gotta sympathize, you feel me? But parents too, you also gotta understand it's a new age. Not everybody's gonna be forced into what you like, what you always want to do. So just if you relax a little, maybe they gonna relax back to you. All we want is people to relax. You feel me? Get better. Thank you.
Niki abakuzi mubana batakuziko canke abo muri Houston tutakuziko kimenya wewe nyene gusa go sharing natwe.
Nothing special, man. I'm not that special. I'm just a regular man. I'm just here to do whatever I can, man. I'm nothing special. That's it.
Somebody say you can be like a comedian. Why, when you try to say anything, the people laughing? Why?
It's a skill of mine, you know. I've never thought too much of it, but you know, some people say I could be the next Kevin Hart. You feel me?
He's look like that, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.